بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, we will continue solving sad questions in the domain of algebra, the scale of linear equations in one variable. Let's continue. So here it's asking about what's equivalent to 4x plus 6 equals 12. Okay, so here you can divide the whole equation by 2. Let's see what it's going to give us. 2x plus 3 equals 6. So this should be the answer, D. Let's go to next question. 1 pound of grapes costs $2. At this rate, how many dollars will £3 of grapes cost? Okay, so 1 pound costs $2. At this rate, how many dollars £3 grapes cost? Should be 2C. C is the number of pounds, and 2 is the dollars. $2 for 1 pound for each pound. Okay, be 2C, which is A. It's asking about the value of 2x minus 8. You don't have to solve for x, all you have to do is shift this 16 to the other side. So 30 is equal to 2x minus 8. The answer is 30. Principal used a total of 25 flags that were either blue or yellow for field day. Principal used 20 blue flags. How many yellow flags were used? This is this easy question. 5? Yes. This is very stupid question. But what's value of x in the solution to the given equation? Also an easy question. Just divide 88 by 8 to give you 11. 3 more than 8 times the number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents the situation? Easy question also. 3 more than 8, which means plus 8 times x equals 83. So the answer is C. I mean D, yes. D, yes. In the equation above, A and B are constants. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, what are the values of A and B? So we said that if the equation has infinitely many solutions, that means that both sides should be equal. So let's solve. A3 minus AX minus B equal to minus 1 minus 2x. So the things that are not beside the x should be equal, like 3a minus b is equal to minus 1, and the things beside the x should be equal, like minus a and the minus 2. So minus a is equal to minus 2. From this we know that a is equal to 2. We just substitute a and get b. Let's substitute a. b6 minus b is equal to minus 1. Shift, so b is equal to 7. B is equal to 7, A is equal to 2. So the answer is B. A total of 165 people contributed to a charity event as either a donor or a volunteer. 120 people contributed as a donor. How many people? What is this easy question? Okay, let's solve stupid question. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? All you have to do is shift 6 to the other side. It will give you 4x equals to 12. Okay. In the given equation, k and n are constants. The equation has no solution. What's the value of k? We said that if the equation has no solutions, the values of x in each side should be equal. So if we have 4x plus 12, we should have here 4x also plus anything like 18 or something, because they should cancel out and we get 12 equal to 18, which means no solution. Okay, let's solve it here. 2kn, 2kx I mean, minus 2n equal to minus 28 is 15x. We don't need to solve it more. Now we can equal the things beside the x. Here we have 2k. Here we have minus 28 over 15. Just now divide by 2 on both sides, you'll get minus 28 over 30, which is 14 over 15. 14 over 15 minus 14 over 15. An agriculture scientist studying the growth of corn plants recorded the height of a corn plant at the beginning of a study, the height of the plant each day for the next 12 days. The scientist found that the height of the plant increased by an average of 1.2 centimeters per day for the 12 days. If the height of the plant on the last day of the study was 36.8, what was the height in centimeters of the corn plant at the beginning of the study? Okay, nice question. So it's a linear equation question. You have to get the rate, which is 1.2, and it gives you the final, which is 36.8 and 12. If we said y is the centimeters, m is the rate, and c is the y-intercept, and it wants the y-intercept. So all we have to do is substitute and get c. 1.2 is the rate times x, number of days, equals 36.8 plus c. Now shift this to the other side. 12 times 1.2, 14.4. So 36.8 minus 14.4 should be 22.4. Let's check the answer. It's 22.4. Let me explain it one time. Here it give you the rate. Give you the rate, which is 1.2, and it told you that the plant grows at this rate for 12 days. And we know that at day number 12, it will be 36, its height will be 36.8. But we don't know the height of it at the beginning of the study, which is the y-intercept. So we can consider this. We will consider 12, 36.8 as a point, okay? And 1.2 will be the y-intercept, the slope, 1.2x plus c. So it wants the c, which is the y-intercept, and we here have a point. All we will do is substitute. So what value of x is the solution to the given equation? Okay, all you have to do is solve. Let's solve it. X over 3 plus 2 minus x over 2. This minus will be distributed to both of them. Minus 3 equals minus 8. Okay. We'll shift 2 and minus 3 to the other side. and we'll continue solving for x. X over 3 minus x over 2 equals minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, or minus 1 to the other side. Okay, now we have x over 3 minus x over 2 is minus 7. Now let's be like this, over 6 is minus 7 will be minus x, and 6 times minus 7 minus x equals minus 42. X is equal to, wait 1 second, minus x, so x is equal to 42. Let's check. It's Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. Used a coupon for $63 of the entire purchase. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. What was the original price in dollars for one storage bin? Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. He used a coupon for $60 of the entire purchase. The cost of the entire purchase after using the coupon. Oh, what's this? This is what was the original price in dollars for one storage bin? Hmm. Okay, so he bought 9. 1 second. He bought 9 storage bins. Used the coupon for $63 for the entire purchase. So this is the price for the entire purchase after using the coupon. So the price for the entire purchase before using the coupon was 100 for all of them, right? It was 100. It was 27 plus 63, 100. After using the coupon, we subtracted 63, so it became 27. So if we said we have 9 times the number of, this is the cost, x is the cost of the storage bin, so divide 100 by 9, so the answer is 100 by 9. 100 over 9, wrong. One storage, oh sorry, it will be 90, not 100. This is 90, so 90 over 9 is 10, so the answer is 10. Is 9, is 10, yes. How many solutions exist to the equation shown above? Let's see. I think only one solution, right? 6 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, so 3 is equal to x. Exactly 1. Oh, continue. Odd value of x is okay. Just shift 40 to the other side. 95 minus 40 is 55. 55. Line segment that has a length of 115 centimeters is divided into 3 parts. One part is 47. The other 2 parts have the length that are equal to each other. What is the length in centimeters? One of the other 2 parts of the equal length. Okay. So we have a line segment divided into 3. Okay. Divided into 3. This part is 47. And this part is the same as this part. And the whole thing is 115. So 47 plus x plus x is equal to 115. Let's shift this 47 to the other side and add these two x's to x equals 115 minus 47, 68. 68 over 2 is 34. So the answer should be 34. This is 34 and this is 34. What is the value of 9x? Just find x and substitute. X is equal to 6. Substitute 6 here. 9 times 6 is 54. Answer is 54. What value of t is the solution to the given equation? Let's solve for t. 5t plus 15 minus 7t minus 21 plus 38 minus 2t minus 6 equals 38. Shifts minus 6 minus 2t equal to 44. T is equal to minus 22. How many solutions does the equation have? Let's solve. 12x minus 36. Sorry. Right, yes. 36 equals minus 3x minus 36. Those two will cancel out. This will go to the other side. So we'll have 15x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. And it has only one solution. Exactly one solution. So what's the value of x plus 4? Don't solve for x, just shift this whole thing to the other side. Okay, 5 minus 4, it will be 1, so x plus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 29. Shift this 4 to the other side. It will be x equals 25. Answer is B, 25. Oh, sorry. Answer should be 25. How is that? Shift this to the other side. X plus 4 should be 25. Let's see that smash. Oh, sorry, so I solved for x and it wants the x plus 4, so the answer is 29. Kathy has n CDs. Gary has three more than twice the numbers of CDs that Kathy has. In terms of n, how many CDs does Gary have? So Kathy has n CDs. Gary has three more than twice the number of CDs that Kathy has. Kathy has n, and Gary has three more than the number, more than twice the number. So 3 plus 2n. Right? In terms of n, how many CDs does Gary have? 3 plus 2n. 3 more than twice. No. 3 plus 2n, so the answer should be D. Right. X is equal to 7. What's the value of x plus 20? Just substitute x. So 7 plus 20 is 27. A gym charges its member at a one times $36 enrollment fee and a membership fee of $19 per month. If there are no charges other than the enrollment fee, and the membership fee. After how many months will a member have been charged a total of 188? So this you can solve it in the form of linear equation. We have the $36, the initial, always this is the initial. Always first decide the initial and the rate. Here we have 36 the initial and the $19 is the rate. And put your equation. $19 x plus 36. It's asking about the number of months. So substitute and find x, the number of months. Is 36. Just have to find x, 188 minus 36 over 19. So the answer is 8. C. What is the value of 8x? Just find x and substitute. X is equal to 4. 28 over 7 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. What is the value of 16x plus 8? Multiply the whole equation by 4 instead of finding x and substituting. Multiply this by 4 and this by 4. 16x plus 8 equals 48. So the answer is 48. On the first day of a semester, a film club has 90 members. Each day after the first day of the semester, 10 new members join the film club. No members leave the film club. How many total member will film club have 4 days? Will the film club have 4 days after the first day of the semester? It's also a linear equation. Decide the initial, which is 90, and decide the rate, which is 10. And know your equation. So y equals 90x, sorry, y equal 10x plus 90. And x is the number of days, because it's the rate at which 10 new members join the film club each day. This is the number of days, and this is the total number of the students. Just now substitute x with 4. 40 plus 90 gives you 130, which is the answer. For what value of w does, okay, we have to find w minus 10 equal to 2w plus 10 shift, so w is equal to minus 20, so w is equal to minus 20. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? All you have to do is shift 30 to the other side, it will give you 160, so the answer is C. What value of P is the solution of the equation above? All we have to do is solve the equation. Let's solve. P plus minus 6 equals 5p. Shift the p. Minus 6 is equal to minus 5p. So p is equal to 6 over 5. If 6 plus x equals 9, what's the value of 18 plus 3x? Multiply the whole equation by 3. Be 18 plus 3x. This will be 27. So the answer is 27. A perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 36 feet. Each of the two congruent sides of the triangle has a length of 10 feet. What is the length in feet of the third side? Easy question. So we have isosceles. Isosceles triangle is the triangle two that has two sides with the same value. So this side and this side have the same value, which is 10. And the perimeter is when we add the sides of the triangle. This is x. We don't know it. 10 plus x is equal to 36. To find x is equal to 16. Each side of a 30-sided polygon has one. Each side of a 30-sided polygon has one of three lengths. The number of sides with the length 8 centimeters is 5 times the number of sides n with length 3 centimeters. There are 6 sides. Each side of a 30-sided polygon has one of 3 lengths. Okay, the number of sides with 8 centimeters is 5 times the number of sides n with length 3 centimeters. There are 6 sides with length 4 centimeters, which equation must be true with the value of n. So there's a polygon that has 30 sides. The number of sides with length 8 centimeters is 5 times the number of sides n with 3 centimeters. It's 5 times the number of n. So the number of sides that has 8 centimeters is equal to 5 times n. And here is the number of sides of 3 centimeters. There are 6 sides with length 4. Okay, there are, for the number of sides of 6, there are 4. I mean for the 4 centimeters, there are 6 sides. Okay. It's asking about the number of equations. So the 6 plus n plus 5n should be 6 plus 6n is equal to 30. So the answer should be B. What's the value of 24x? Multiply the whole equation by 6 both sides. Be 24x is equal to 18. Answer is 18. C. What value of x is the solution to the given equation? Just solve for x. 12x is equal to 112. 112 over, it will be 28 over 3. Oh, sorry, wrong. Oh, sorry, it will be 14x plus 112. So the answer is 8. What is the value of 8x minus 1? We will shift this to the other side. It will give you 4x equals minus 5 plus 1 over 2. This is minus 10 plus 1. So it would be minus 9 over 2. minus 9 over 2 is equal to 4x. Can multiply both sides by 2, be 8x is minus 9, and then subtract 1 from both sides, so 8x minus 1 equal to minus 10. The answer is D, minus 10. A museum rents tablets to visitors. The museum earns revenue of $14 for each tablet rented for the day. On Wednesday, the museum earned $406 in profit from renting tablets after paying daily expenses of $112. How many tablets did the museum rent on Wednesday? So it earned $406 in profit from renting tablets after paying daily expenses of $112. All we'll do is just calculate the total revenue first. So if we said the profit is 406 equals total revenue minus 112, so 406 plus 112 be 518. So the total is equal to 518. Now we'll divide the 518 by 14 to calculate the number of tablets. 37. The equation has no solution. What's the value of b? Okay, we said that when the equation has no solution, the values of x should be the same. So minus 3 should be equal to, sorry, they should be the same if they are in opposite sides, but if they are in the same sides, they should have opposite signs to cancel. What does that mean? If we here have minus 3x, we should here have plus 3x for them to cancel out, and we don't have the value of x. But if they are in opposite sides, like minus 3x, be minus 3x. So minus 3 will be equal, so 21p will be equal to 3. P will be equal to 3 over 21, which is equal to 1 over 7. The answer is 1 over 7b. What's the value of 3t? Let's solve it. 60 minus 20 plus t equals 40 plus 40. 70 minus 40 is 3t. 40 plus 20 is 60. It is equal to 3t is equal to 60. As the value of n plus 4. Just get n and substitute. So n will be is equal to n will be 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is the question. The value of x plus 6 is between which of the following pairs of values? Hmm. Hmm. X plus 6 over 3 equals to x plus 6 over 13. B10 is x plus 6 equal to 0. Oh, So x plus 6 equal to 0. X should be minus 6. What was the value of x plus 6? Hmm. I don't know, let's try x plus 6 over 3 equal to 3 with x plus 6. I don't know how to solve this such a question. Let's see.